Hey guys, so one of the best ways how you can reset a Delsey luggage lock, and you don't know like what is the actually the answer. The best way how you're gonna do it is that when you are going to test all the combination, this is the best way and the only way how you can actually reset it, rather than trying to like take it with a screwdriver or do something. Just go. If you forgot the combination, go from 0, 0, 0. I'll just show you right here. And I like ask the ChatGPT, you just want to list all the possible combinations. And then when you're going to list all the possible combinations, one of it is going to actually work. And that's what you want to do, is that look here. Oh my God, that's really long. So that's what you want to actually do. And one of it is going to actually work, right? So to 999, and you want to be one by one, and every second you're gonna go do 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, and maybe it's going to be like 200, and you're gonna get it in maybe 3 minutes.